What's up everyone, Kevin from Epic Gardening here. As you can see, I've got the world's smallest corn patch, and what we're talking about today is how to make sure you actually get beautiful corn cobs. If you're growing in as small of a space as mine, or if you just want to guarantee that you actually get pollination on your silks, which we'll look at in a second, this is one quick and easy way to do it. So first of all, we need to talk about the different parts of the corn plant, and then we'll talk about how to get the pollen from one part to the other. So this whole structure up top is the male part of the plant, known as the tassel. All of these little anthers, which are these tiny little things hanging off here, have tons and tons of grains of pollen, which need to kind of be shaken up normally, and then the pollen will fall down onto the silks. And so these are the silks, and each of these individual strands is responsible for fertilizing one single kernel inside of the ear down here, which is a pretty incredible thing if you think about it. Now, in a perfect world, our pollen is falling down, it's kind of being brushed in the wind by our other corn plants, but in a stand as small as this, I want to make sure that that's going to happen. So what I need to do is figure out a way to get pollen onto all of these silks from the tassels above. What I'm going to do is just carefully, with some little pruning snips, grab one of these tassels here and snip it at the base. Try not to shake it up too much because we're going to save this pollen for our silks. Now all I have to do is gently just come through and give this a nice shaking and brushing and make sure that I get adequate pollen over the entire silk area. And I'm going to be just very liberal. I want to make sure that I do it. So you can actually pollinate a silk anywhere along the strand, and it's important to pollinate and make sure you get it a really good job done within the first 10 days of silk emergence. After that, the pollination and fertilization actually drops off significantly. So within the first 10 days of seeing your silks, it's time to go ahead and do this hand pollination procedure. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these now, and it's a very, very simple way to guarantee, or as close as you can with Mother Nature, guarantee pollination of your corn silk so you get a nice healthy ear of corn. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's a quick and easy one. If you have your own tip, your own method that you know works, definitely let me know. There's a bunch of different ways to do it, but until next time, good luck in the garden and keep on growing.